So the goal of this video is to make the shittest video possible. It's not so much about trying to make it bad, it's more about lowering the stakes. Oh, that's hot. Oh, that's a lovely gear selector, huh, Graham? Bet you'd love that, huh? Basically, I'm a perfectionist and I'm gonna have to get over that, especially for videos that like die on the timeline after like 2 days. I'm here at Anascall Lake in Kerry, back to Kerry again. So I was curious on this place. I think for me, I get like hung up on projects and I like really get hung up on the small details, and I just kind of need to zoom out. I just know that I kind of create best and I'm kind of just in a flow state and I just kind of get it done, one and done, and I don't overthink about it. Like with creative projects, when there's kind of just so much focusing on the stuff that doesn't matter, it creates resistance and then it kind of takes you out of like being present with the project. For me, it's important to do these kind of like exercises where I just kind of get them done and just see where it kind of ends up. And I think to document my life as well, it's important to me. It's always been important. I love the kind of process of making videos and being creative, and then I love traveling and adventure, so it's great that I can do this. It's great that I can kind of maybe use it to overcome perfectionism, because that's something that I struggle with and I don't consider it to be who I truly am. These micro adventures will just be really good for my creativity because I won't overthink them so much, because like again, they're not high stake, you know, but I think that's what I need right now. Like, yeah, it'd be nice to just nip it in the bud really and just enjoy the process for what it is, because you know, the journey is the destination and all that. Okay, I think I'm here at the waterfall. Looks amazing. I came here at the right time. I think it's golden hour right now, so the light is very good. Don't you just love the sound of waterfalls? Oh, it sounds so good. Yeah, it's nice to just be here, enjoy the sounds of the waterfall and the nice views, and nice little handy hike, a little micro hike for a little micro adventure. So, what's that thing where if an audience was like watching your life on screen, what would they be screaming at you basically? For me, I feel like it's to get out of my own way really. So, for you watching, what would that thing be? Comment it below if you're brave enough. I hope you can actually hear me, because we got lovely waterfall sounds, and as good as it is, it might be bad for audio, but yeah.